A tower is casting a shadow that is 7 meters long. So, tower. The shadow is 7 meters long, correct? A vertical stick is casting a shadow that is 0.6 meters long. So this is the stick. Its shadow is 0.6 meters long. This is not drawn to scale. Are we clear? If the stick is 1.2 meters high, so 1.2, how high is the tower? Once again, you need the correct diagram in order to have the correct setup, correct? All right, so one box will be for your proportion before you solve it, and the other one will be for the answer. Are we good? Is this one okay? Am I going too slow? I need feedback. Should we share the proportion? All right, what did you guys write down? Does that work? All right, okay, excellent. All right, time to work on the next one. Ooh, okay. So why don't you guys give it a 1 reading, 2 readings, 3 readings to circle your numbers. The second reading is to understand what's going on, and the first one is just to shock yourselves, okay? I read it diligently 3 times, and I focus on the information. They have told me that these 2 triangles are similar. They've given me the sides of IJK. They've given me one side of TUV, the longest side, and they want the perimeter of TUV. What is perimeter? Yes, the sum of all sides. Okay. So I'm going to start off with a diagram. So it's 2 triangles. It looks like IJK has smaller numbers than TUV. But does it matter? No. Nothing is really drawn to scale. Clear? All right, so I, J, K. Since they don't specify and nothing is drawn to scale, we'll just go like this. It doesn't matter where you place them as long as you match them correctly when you make the other one, correct? T, U, V. Now, does it matter where I place the T, the U, and the V? Yes, it does matter. Because the I goes with the T. The J goes with the U. Are we following? And the K goes with the V. So it does matter. We know the longest side of TUV is 275. 275 is going to match up to which one? Why 50? Yes, that's the longest side here. So ergo, this one is 275. Whoa, whoa, whoa. They want the perimeter of TUV, and what do I need from TUV? Well, how many sides do we have? You have to find each side separately. So let's start with this one. And this is how I need you thinking on the test. Are we clear? You need a game plan. All right. I'm going to call the bottom one y. Once again, please don't get caught up with the solving process. Are we clear? Pay attention to the setups. We can all solve proportions, so that's not what we need to be practicing right now. So now we're going to call the bottom one y because we already used up x. Or you can call it your first letter initial of your name. It's your choice. But with this, we know that the 24 goes with the y and the 50 goes with the 275. So it'd be 24 over y equals 50 over 275. Please record which three numbers you've added to get the perimeter. Is this okay that I'm not giving you every single little step and you're working some of them out? Feel free to check with the person sitting next to you, make sure that you're getting the same numbers and that your setups are similar. They're all the same? Now the big question is, does everybody have the same x? What is x? 220. What is y? 132? All right, so that means that we need to add, these are not big enough, hold on. My boxes were too tiny, here we go. So it is gonna be 220 plus 132 plus 275. So what is the perimeter? Like this? 27, 27. There we go. But once again, you have to understand what they're asking you for, okay? All right. Draw your diagram for 7 and sketch and write your proportion. Once again, speed is of the essence because we're taking a test. And a question like this can't stump us, okay? So we have to have an idea of what we're doing.